Did you know there's a science to color? Color theory is a field of study and practical application that deals with how colors interact, mix, and complement each other. It encompasses a wide range of principles and guidelines used in art and design to create aesthetically pleasing and harmonious color combinations. The three basic categories of color theory are the color wheel, color harmony, and the context of how colors are used. The color wheel helps visualize color relationships and aids in color selection. Achieving color harmony involves understanding complementary colors, opposite each other on the color wheel, analogous colors adjacent to each other on the color wheel, and other color relationships. Color theory also explores the psychological and emotional impact of colors, as different colors can evoke specific emotions and reactions, influencing viewer perception. Each year, Pantone uses color theory and a reflection of the past year and current trends to choose a color that best represents the year. Viva Magenta is the Pantone Color of the Year 2023 and is celebrated using the latest technology at ARTECHOUSE Miami. There, you can explore and interact with the color in brand new experiential contexts. While understanding color theory is essential for artists, designers, and marketers, anyone working with color can use these techniques to best tell their story.